Hi everyone, my name is Valerie Harrison. I am 24 years old and I'm a full-time medical assistant at a foot and ankle surgeon's office. Prior to that, I was a full-time student, so I went to SUNY Plattsburgh for my first 2 years after graduating high school, but I ended up transferring closer to home, so I finished up my undergraduate at Farmingdale State College. This is my first time taking a fully online course, and I'm taking biochemistry because I want to pursue a career as a PA, so I'm hopefully going to be applying for this upcoming August cycle. I have a few different hobbies, but my number one hobby when I'm not at work is I'm at the gym. So I go about 5 days a week. And I'm also a big health nut on top of it, so I'll also be cooking in the kitchen. I like to try and make some unhealthy foods, but using healthier ingredients. I also love outdoors activities, so I love doing hiking and biking and skiing, but mostly I love summertime, so naturally being from Long Island, I'm usually either at the beach or fishing. I also love to travel. Growing up, that was a big part of how me and my family would bond, is we would take big trips to different places and experience new cultures. So I now like to travel with my boyfriend. So we try and take at least one big trip a year. So far we've been to Aruba, Bahamas, Dominican Republic, and in the next about 3 to 4 weeks we're going to be taking a trip to Mexico. I look forward to meeting everyone, and I look forward to learning some more biochemistry.